In the silence of an empty room, light slips gently across the walls. This is not just a space, it is a canvas. And every canvas is waiting for a story to be painted upon it. Soft neutrals bring calmness. Beige, cream, and sand-like tones do not shout, but whisper a whisper that turns a room into a sanctuary. One wall, painted boldly, can carry the weight of the entire room. It becomes a statement, a heartbeat of character within stillness. Green, the color of renewal. Earthy sage brings nature indoors, reminding us that walls can breathe, and rooms can feel alive. Monochrome is not emptiness, it is discipline. Gray holds balance. Black defines. White frees. Together, they create harmony in silence. Pastels carry innocence. They are not loud, but they glow like a lullaby painted on the walls, cradling childhood in color. Dark walls do not suffocate, they empower. Charcoal tones create depth spaces where thought becomes sharper and silence becomes profound. White is not absence, it is infinite potential. It holds the promise of every possibility, waiting to be touched by shadow and light. Terracotta is Earth's embrace. Warm, timeless, grounding. It connects us to roots, reminding us that comfort is found in simplicity. Blue carries the ocean's breath. It whispers of open skies, freedom, and waves that kiss the shore. A room painted blue becomes a retreat. Golden hues turn every moment into late afternoon. A reminder that beauty can linger, like the last rays of a setting sun. Soft gray is a powerful breath between thoughts. It does not demand attention, but it offers clarity. A room of stillness, of balance. Emerald, sapphire, ruby jewel tones do not merely decorate. They command presence, as if walls themselves were treasures. Brown ground feels like the earth beneath our feet, solid, warm, and unshaken. It roots a room in comfort and nostalgia. Lavender is the language of serenity. It invites rest, reflection, and the gentle slowing of time. Concrete is honesty. It hides nothing, it masks nothing. It reveals the raw character of space, and in that rawness lies beauty. Forest tones bring strength. Dark greens hold secrets, and yet, they steady the soul like standing among ancient trees. Peach softens edges. It glows, almost like skin touched by gentle sun, offering warmth and tenderness. Black is not darkness, it is elegance. A daring choice that turns emptiness into art, and space into a statement. Cream tones, paired with wood, feel timeless. Together, they whisper, simplicity is not lack, it is perfection. A wall painted like the sky reminds us of freedom. It blurs boundaries, making space feel endless, uncontained. Blush pink is the breath of intimacy. It softens hearts, inviting warmth, connection, and tenderness into the room. White frames life, black defines it. Together they create contrast, a reminder that beauty often lives in duality. Olive tones carry wisdom. A room painted in olive feels grounded, ancient, yet eternally alive. Yellow is joy painted on walls. It is laughter, curiosity, and the endless energy of childhood. Midnight blue holds mystery. It wraps the room like a night sky, quiet yet infinite in its depth. Grige between grey and beige finds balance. It does not choose extremes, but it makes peace with both. Clay red carries soul. It is rustic, earthy, and bold, bringing warmth that feels both grounded and alive. Seafoam green refreshes. Like the ocean's foam, it feels clean, cool, and endlessly rejuvenating. Dusty rose is memory. A color that lingers like a faded photograph, soft, romantic, and timeless. A mural transforms walls into stories. Each stroke is emotion, each color a chapter, making the room more than space, but art itself. In the end, painting a room is not about walls. It is about atmosphere, memory, and the silent stories colors tell. For every wall painted, a new life begins.